that a good sandwich? I'm making a video for Nanny. You want to say hi to Nanny?
Not all done?
You're not all done. You got lots of sandwich to go.
All done? All done?
Okay, well, if you're all done, you can put your sandwich on your plate. You can't take your sandwich with you through the house. There you go. You want to eat more? Okay. Can you say hi to Nanny?
Mommy.
Nanny's putting Christmas lights up today.
Mommy, this is Mommy?
Nanny's gonna make her house all Christmassy. That sound fun?
Boogie. Boogie shaking.
What
Boogie shaking. Boogie shaking, Mom.
A spooky chicken?
Shaking. Shaking. Yes, yes. Boogie shaking.
Snake? Spooky
Chicken.
chicken?
Chicken.
Shaken?
Chicken.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
Boogie shaking. Chicken. Boogie shaking. Boogie shaking.
Spooky.
Shaking.
Shaken?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Hammer.
Hammer? Spooky hammer?
Bang bang. The hammer.
Oh, okay.
Bang bang bang.
Bang, bang, bang.
Only go.
Hmm?
Go.
Hmm.
Go. All done.
Okay, can you get the a button undone? Can you do it or do you need help?
We have. Have one.
Okay.